Stop peeling garlic by hand. Try this method, and in just 2 minutes you can easily peel 2 kilograms of garlic. I used to spend a lot of time peeling garlic. My hands would hurt, my nails would easily break, and the strong smell would linger on my hands, which was very unpleasant. But now things are different. I have learned 5 quick and much gentler ways to peel garlic. Today I will show you each method in detail. Be sure to watch until the end to choose the method that works best for you. The first method is simple and perfect if you only need to peel a few garlic cloves for quick cooking, and that is using a towel. First, place the garlic cloves inside a dry kitchen towel. Wrap the garlic cloves loosely, then roll them gently a few times without pressing hard. Just use light pressure so the dry skins can crack and come off on their own. When you roll the garlic cloves inside the dry towel, the friction between the towel and the garlic skins will cause the dry outer skin to crack and separate from the garlic cloves. Now open the towel and take a look. You will see that the skins have started to crack and come away from the garlic cloves. At this point, all you need to do is peel off the loosened skins. Let me peel a few more garlic cloves so you can see how quick and easy it is. In less than 1 minute, most of the garlic skins have already come off. This method is simple, convenient, and your hands will not be left with a strong garlic smell. It is great when you only need a few garlic cloves for stir-frying, making soup, or everyday cooking, isn't it? The second way to peel garlic quickly is to warm the garlic over low heat, so the skins come off more easily. Place the garlic in a pan and keep the heat at the lowest setting around 60 degrees Celsius. Then gently move the garlic around for about 2 minutes. The goal here is not to cook the garlic, but only to let the gentle heat dry out the thin outer skin. When the skin becomes a little drier, it no longer sticks so tightly to the garlic cloves inside. Now take the garlic out and let it cool for a moment before peeling. You can see that the skin comes off much more easily than before. With this method, even a whole plate of garlic only takes about 1 to 2 minutes to peel. You do not need to use much force and your fingers will not hurt, like when you peel each clove by hand the old way. Next is an even faster garlic peeling method than the 2 above, and that is soaking it in warm water. First, place a pot on the stove, add water, and heat it until it begins to gently simmer. Make sure the water is only warm, not too hot, so it does not cook the garlic. At this point, turn off the heat. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the warm water and stir until it dissolves completely. Then add the garlic cloves to the bowl and soak them for about 5 minutes. During this time, the warm water helps soften the dry outer skin, while the baking soda helps reduce how tightly the skin sticks to the garlic cloves. After soaking, you will notice that the garlic skins begin to loosen on their own. At this point, peeling the garlic will be much easier. Just rub or gently squeeze each garlic clove and the skin will come right off. Look at this! A whole plate of garlic can be peeled in less than 1 minute. This method is quick, gentle on your hands, and helps protect your nails from damage. Next is the garlic peeling method I often use when I need to peel a large amount of garlic all at once. First, separate the garlic cloves from the bulb, so they are easier to use. Next, preheat the air fryer to about 150 to 170 degrees Celsius or 300 to 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 minutes. Then spread the garlic cloves evenly in the air fryer basket so the heat can circulate better. Air fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. The purpose is not to cook the garlic, but only to lightly dry the outer skin. After that, take the garlic out and let it cool for a moment before peeling. You will see the garlic skins begin to come off very quickly. The gentle heat makes the dry outer skin shrink a little so it separates from the garlic clove inside. This makes peeling a large amount of garlic much easier, especially when you need garlic for mincing, blending, or making sauces. After peeling, if you do not use all of it right away, you can place the garlic in an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. The garlic can stay fresh for about 7 to 10 days. Finally, here's a simple way to peel garlic with flour without taking too much time. Instead of sitting there and peeling each clove one by one, I just quickly cut each garlic bulb in half into a few slices. Each bulb only needs about 2 to 3 slices, and that already saves a lot of time. After cutting, place all the garlic into a large tray. Then add about 2 tablespoons of flour. Gently toss the garlic and lightly squeeze it with your hands. You do not need to use much force. The flour helps absorb excess moisture from the garlic skins, making the skins drier and easier to separate from the garlic cloves. Next, gently shake the tray and blow lightly so the loosened skins come off faster. Finally, pour everything into a sieve and shake it a few more times to remove any leftover flour. And that's it. You have a large batch of peeled garlic without sore hands, broken nails, or spending too much time. And those are 5 simple ways to help you peel garlic faster and more gently without having to sit there peeling each clove one by one like before. Whether you only need a few cloves for everyday cooking or need to peel a large amount for blending, mincing, or making sauces, you can choose the method that works best for you. I hope today's little tips will help you save time and feel more comfortable in the kitchen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.